Hi guys, welcome to Mani's Uma Creations. Today we are going to see the basics of doing the basket. So that is, we are going to see how to do the base. For the basket, mainly first we have to do the base with the wires, then only we can weave the baskets, fully completed basket. So first we have to do the base with the help of the knot which we've learnt in the previous video. I hope everyone have understood the previous video and tried out the normal knot. That knot what we've done is a normal knot. Okay, so using that knot we are going to do the base of the basket. I'm just going to do with few wires. I'm just going to teach you how to do the base for the basket with few wires like this. Okay, and from this you can try out with many wires. Okay, so I'll just explain you wires itself. For doing the basket, wires itself are called different in names. Okay, so these wires which are cut it, okay, in a particular length, these wires are called cut wires. Okay, these wires are called cut wires. The wires in the loop, okay, in the loop are called running wires. Okay, this is called the running wires, and the cut some wires in a specified length which is being cut, it is called the cut wires. So these are the prescribed names for the wires. So from here on I'll be mentioning these names, so do listen it carefully. Okay, so let's go on to do the base for the basket. So here I have some green color wires, and I have 5. Okay, so with this 5 wires I'm just going to teach you how to do the base. So I'm just going to take a sandal running wire. So this is in the loop. See, this is in the roll. Okay, so that's why it is called as a running wire. So we are going to take the running wire and take one cut wire. Okay, so let's keep the other wires aside. So take one cut wire and fold it equal half. You have to fold it in equal half. Okay, then only you will get a basket. So you have to fold it in equal half, and in the running wire, after folding the cut wire in equal half, measure that folded wire with the running wire. See, I'm measuring it with the running wire and folding it, the running wire, to that prescribed length. See, this is the length of the cut wire, folded cut wire. Okay, so like this we have to take it, and then take the cut wire and put the knot. So put the knot, we have to put the normal knot. So let's take this bow and take the back side of the running wire, fold it on top of the cut wire, back side of the cut wire, put it into the loop of the running wire, and then adjust it all the wires so that you get a knot. So this is what we've learned, right? Now after, first we'll adjust it. After adjusting it, after getting the knot, we have to see that this cut wire is of equal length. See, it is not of equal length. It is, one is more and one is less. So if it is like this, it is wrong. We have to make that into equal length. So we have to adjust. Take the wire which is the longest one and adjust it accordingly. Okay, so again we have to check it. It's equal. So it's not so particular, you have to get it exact equal. At least it should be very close. Okay, so it should be very close. So still it is few. Okay, so this is what. So for each cut wire, after joining each cut wire, we have to check whether both the sides of the cut wire are in equal length, like this. Okay, so this is very important step in doing the basket. and even the running wire, whatever length we have left in the running, this side, left hand side we have left, right, that also we have to check. We have to check whether it is equal or not, because that will give you the height of the basket. Okay, so now all the three wires, 1, 2, 3, all the three wires are in equal length. So this is our running wire. So now one cut wire we have joined. So I'm going to take a second cut wire. Again, fold the cut wire in equal half. Fold the cut wire in equal half. Okay, after folding it, take the wire which is joined, the running wire, this folded cut wire, keep it at the back. Take a bow like this. I'm sorry, you have to just take a bow in the running wire. See, this is the lengthiest part of the running wire. Take a bow of the lengthiest part of the running wire and insert this cut wire in the bow, like how we do the normal knot, same way. See, so you'll get a bow. So take the back side of the running wire, fold it on, keep it on the top of the cut wire, take the back side of the cut wire, put it through the running wire loop and adjust the wires. You have to hold it so that it will not get loose. Okay, we have joined the second wire, but there is a gap. So this gap should not be there. So you have to adjust so that these two knots come close to each other. So you have to adjust the wire, adjust the running wire. Okay, and make sure you pull up all the wires so that the knots are tight. Okay, so this is the second cut wire we have joined. Again, check the wires. See, again, it's not equal. So we have to adjust it so that it becomes equal. Like this. So it's very easy to do. Okay, so still we need to adjust. So this is a very, very basic step to do the basket. The first step to do the basket is to first cut the wires in a desired length. Okay, so later on I'll be telling you how much of length you have to cut and all. First, let's learn how to weave the baskets. Then we'll take some desired length and we'll do a basket in a full tutorial. Okay, so this is, I've joined the second cut wire and I have checked the wire, so it's in equal length, almost in equal length. Okay, so similarly we have to join all the wires. Similarly we have to join all the wires. So third wire, the fourth wire and the fifth wire. So like this we have to join all the wires. So this joining the cut wires will become the center line of the base. Will become the center line of the base. This joining the cut wire, this line will become the center line of the base. Okay, and hereafter we'll be doing this side, we'll be doing some few rows, and this side will be doing the same set of rows how much we have done this side. So then that will give you the base of the basket. Okay, so this today I've taught you how to join the cut wires in the running wire so that we can do the base. In the next video I'll show you how the base will be and how to do the base completely, and after that how to do the basket for the height in the height form. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So if you like this video, just click like and do mention in the comment if you have any doubts. I'll be doing more videos and I'll be teaching all the knots whatever I've learned. And if you want wires also, you can contact my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 80722822900. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact this number if you want wires. Okay, if you like this video, just click like and do subscribe the channel so that you will get immediate notifications whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just click like.